Hello friends, welcome back. So in this session, we are going to see one of the Java 8 important interview question. If you come to this channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and share. So the question is, explain the syntax of Lambda expressions in brief. So you got to know the Lambda expression, but we have to explain the interviewer the syntax. What are the all the way syntax you can write, you have to explain. So the syntax of Lambda expression in Java consists of three main components. So what are the all three main components? The first is list of argument that you put inside this open and close bracket, arrow token that to mark like this, okay, and the body part like in the curly braces you will be putting over here, right? So these three are the main syntax. Basically consist of three component. So list of argument, arrow token, and the body part. So see the how many ways you can create the Lambda syntax. So first is the no argument. So inside this, if you see, we are putting the no argument, right? Let me highlight you. So here no argument. So if there is a no argument, then the opening and the closing braces is not required. So if you want to understand the more deeply and want to learn the Java 8 all, yeah, I have created a separate video, Java 8 tutorial. You can go and watch. You can find in the playlist. But here we are discussing more towards the interviewer perspective. So no argument, this is the one. You can put a one argument. So if there is a one argument also, so opening and the closing bracket is not required. You can put the single. And since this is the single, opening braces and the closing braces is also not required. So opening and the closing braces is required whenever you are putting the multiple statement, right? And if there is a single argument or no argument, there is no braces is required. So now this see the two arguments. Since we are passing the two argument x and y, you must have a braces, opening braces and the closing braces, and it will returning x and x plus y with explicit argument type, like we are mentioning here integer x and integer y. Explicitly we are mentioning, and then we are adding and returning. So how we will do the multiple statement? As I had told you, if you are putting the multiple statement, you will have to pass and you'll have to, bound with the opening braces and the closing braces, and you can put all the statement inside open and the close bracket. So this is how you can write over here. So these five kinds of your, or you can say this is the five way you can define the Lambda. You can use the Lambda. This is the simple way, one of the simple way to use. So you must understand there is a three component by which you can create a Lambda. First is the list of argument that I described you. Second is the arrow token, and third is the body part. So this is the how and miscellaneous way of defining and using the Lambda. So this was all about, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want to see the more interview questions, please go to the playlist and watch this. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.